आयच्या खबराचित्रांत येवकार हांव सुशांत गावस. पळयात खबरो विस्तारान. गोंयांतल्यो वेगवेगळ्यो आपसवी संस्था, पर्यावरण मोगी तशेंच विरोधी पक्षाच्या आमदारांनी केंद्रीय उच्चाधिकार समिती मुखार तमनार वीज प्रकल्प, रेल्वे मार्ग दोट्टीकरण आनी महामार्ग रुंदीकरण ह्या तिनूय प्रकल्पांच्या विरोधात मतां मांडली. मोलेंतल्या तिनूय नियोजीत प्रकल्प थळांचो नियाळ घेवपा खातीर राज्यांत दाखल जाल्ल्या केंद्रीय उच्चाधिकार समितीन फाटल्या 4 दिसांसावन मोले तांबडीसुर्ला भेट दिवन सुवातांचो नियाळ घेतलो.
सीईसीक हांवें काही दिसां पयलीं लेटर बरयल्लें. म्हजे कडेन खूब डेलिगेशन्स आयिल्ले एंड दे वॉन्टेड मी टू रायट लेटर टू दॅम ऑल्सो ब्रिंगींग ऑल द फॅक्ट्स टू देअर नोटीस. आनी तेन्ना आय हॅड ऑल्सो रिटन दॅम ए लेटर addressing all the apprehensions, doubts in the minds of the people of Goa with respect to this linear project. I decided to meet them. Myself and my 2 colleagues were also there in the assembly. We met them, briefed them on all the factual position today what is there. They also have visited most of the areas. They have visited Mollem, they have visited Port Trust and all that. Mr. Jaikishan knows lots of things about Goa because he has served in Goa. So that's what he said. He will also discuss with many of the people.
तेंचे कशें कितें रिएक्शन आसलें?
तशें रिएक्शन तर दाखोवपाचें ना. सुप्रीम कोर्ट appointed central empowered company. They cannot express their opinion, but they will listen to everything.
Suggestion first and foremost, principally the projects are not required for Goa. गोंयाक पयले प्रोजेक्ट कित्याक हे हाडल्या हो पयलो एक प्रश्न येता. Wherein all the 3 projects we have discussed. Karnataka, where it comes to about the road infrastructure, we are not in consonance. आमी करता ते करता 2 वेगळे आसा. We are overboard trying to widen the highways. Wherein Karnataka Kali areas is still indispensable. When you are having issues discussed in Karnataka, the same are not being considered in Goa. Environmentally, you have Karnataka and Goa being shown separately. Again, Mollem being put in 3 different parts for environmental clearances. So straight away shows that there is something much more than what is required to be seen. Bob Digambar Kamal also, his power minister's time, he shared what are the load requirement. So, जो power जो तामनार project येऊन सोडता, what is the peak power, what is the off-peak power, हे discuss केले. What are the options required, that also has been spoken about. The own JERC norms and the commission which we are following says that we need to shift to solar, roughly about 150 megawatts to be generated by 2022. So, your ideas, kalpana, जो आसात, any wrong information going from Rail Vikas Nigam, the rest of the authorities to them for promotion of whether it is Adani or Ambani or coal, where we are saying no to coal, has been a very clear statement. So we have appraised him of what the repercussions are. If we are a tourism state and we are wanting to be a tourism state and looking at options of being a knowledge-based industry, I think we are waywardly going different towards coal. कोळसो गोंयकारांक नाका हो क्लियर आसा. कोळशाचे शिपमेंट कमी जावंक जाय हें सेंट्रली मोदी सरकार उलयता की कोळसो देंवतलो म्हणून. कोळसो देंवतलो जाल्यार रेल्वे कित्याक जाय? वेन पॅसेंजर्स आर नॉट मच ऑन द ट्रॅक. डबल ट्रॅकिंग कित्याक प्रायोरिटी घेतल्या? दादागिरी कित्याक चल्ल्या? आनी हें सगळें करता आसतना देर हॅज बीन नो प्रॉपर क्लियरन्सीस वेदर फ्रॉम द नॅशनल वायल्ड लायफ बोर्ड or from the statutory authorities which they have done. So what the government here is doing is just bulldozing their things, maybe just to appease a few of their higher ups or for commissions or what, I don't know. But definitely we have put our foot down that Mole amka naka and Mole anga linear project samaj aile asle projects which are destructive to the environment. It is definitely going to be a lot of problems. Yeah, Makaista, the secretary being here, the chairman being here earlier as a chief secretary already has knowledge about the state. Yes, what he was appraised as that he is personally moved around and seen the whole areas himself. Certain areas which are shown to him have also been quite surprising in terms of the knowledge what the state gave and what actually was. So we expect a very clear mandate from the CEC to be given in terms of what the people's mind is, people's sentiments are, what the actual requirement is. आणि मोला हे लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स हाडपाच्या फाटल्यान कितें एक्चुअल आसा काय ना जाल्यार फक्त कोळसो असो क्लियर दिश्टी पडटा आनी ताज्या खातीर आमचो ठाम विरोध आसा टू एन्श्योर दॅट कोल डज नॉट कम इन टू गोवा.
तेका पळय झाड मारलें ती आजून देखून पत्र रोयलें व्हडली झाड मारलें आमगे सृश्टी एनवायरमेंट काबार केला कितले डॅमेज केल्या इकॉलॉजी वॉटर टेबल दोंगर घातले आनी कितें केलां तितू वास्ट डॅमेज केल्या रेक्टिफाय करपाक कांय केलें ना. सो तुमी आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंग करूंक सोदताय. डबल ट्रॅकिंग कोणाक आतां पड कोल आहा तो पड वयता तो ऑलमोस्ट 12,000 मिलियन मेट्रीक टन्स वयता आतां एक्झिस्टींग. तुमी डबल ट्रॅकिंग करून 24 करूंक सोदताय. प्लस एक्झिस्टींग रोड पड केले ते इट ऑल बॉयल्स डावन. इवन त्यो जेटीज केल्या त्यो रायट फ्रॉम रिवर नॅशनलायजेशन पयलीसान पासून आमी उलयताय ते इज ऑल फॉर कोल. नो वन कॅन डिनाय इट. पोर्ट ट्रस्टान जुमीन पासून रिक्लेम केल्या कोला लागून. बर्थ नंबर 5 बर्थ नंबर 6 5A 6A सगळे बर्थ काडले आनी तुम्ही प्रायवेटायज केले. आतां तुमी पोर्ट ट्रस्ट प्रायवेटायज केलो. पोर्ट्स बील येता. पोर्ट्स बील पड येता तितून स्वीपिंग पावर्स फॉर द बोट फॉर द मार्मोगोवा पोर्ट ट्रस्ट. बट मार्मोगोवा पोर्ट ट्रस्ट अदानी दिला. गोइंग टू बी टेकन ओवर बाय अ प्रायवेट प्लेयर. What is the government trying to say? At the cost of environment, you want to destroy Goa? At the cost of people of Goa, you want to have development? म्हणजे तुम्ही मनशा मन डेव्हलपमेंट करू सोदताय. सो आमी एक्सप्लेन केलं का कोल येईल जाल्यार कितें जाता तें. डबल ट्रॅकिंग केल्यार कितें डॅमेज जाता ती आनी तेणें आमकां सांगिलां की डॅमेज जातली इज कन्फर्म. म्हणजे डबल ट्रॅकिंगाक ते खूंय सांगूंक सोदताय की टनल मारताय म्हणून आनी टनल मान डिस्टन्स शॉर्ट करूंक सोदताय. टनल मान डॅमेज जायना आनी कॉस्ट कितें टनल मारपाचो कोणागे पयशे ते आनी कोणाक प्रॉफीट फॉर होम पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट कितली आहा. वॉट इज द पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट एंड वॉट इज द प्रायवेट इंट्रस्ट. वॉट इज द नेशन्स इंट्रस्ट. वॉट इज द कंट्रीज इंट्रस्ट. एक्सप्लेन केलें तांकां. सो वी फील इट इज कन्फर्म्ड. डिवायड करूंक सोदता ह्या लोकांक नॉर्थ गोवा सावथ गोवा रिलिजनाचेर हिंदू क्रिस्तांव कोण म्हणटा हें. अल्टिमेटली इट इज नेचर. जो एनवायरमेंट काबार करता तेका कन्फर्म फॅक्ट हें ताका दिसांव हाच. आनी हें दीस इज अ प्रोजेक्ट वीच वील डिस्ट्रॉय द नेचर वीच वील डिस्ट्रॉय द एनवायरमेंट वीच वील डिस्ट्रॉय आवर गोवा. टुरिजम बेल्ट म्हणटा काबार जातलो आनी आख्खो कोल बेल्ट जातलो. आतां वी हॅव टू सी वॉट वी कॅन डू. आतां CSC काम मेळ्ळें. CSC आमगे सगळें एक्सप्लेन केलां. वी आर गिवींग आवर रिटर्न ऑब्जेक्शन्स ऑल्सो. आय हॅव रिटन आमी चीफ प्रायम मिनिस्टर चीफ मिनिस्टर एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर सेंट्रल एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर सगळ्यांक बरयलां. वील सी वॉट वी कॅन डू. आमगे फायट टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ आमगे गोंयकार आमगे जावपाक.
Anything this big, CEC, any suggestion they had given?
No, they were asking about requirements. They were asking what is the power requirement. They were asking so many things. Power requirement म्हणतो power minister सांगता की power जायते म्हणून future requirement आनी कांय ना. For the last 20 years there have been hardly significant increase in the power requirement is not more than 5% to 10%. Not even 10%. कितें सांगू सोदता हे. इंडस्ट्री आहाय त्यो काबार जाल्यो आनी इंडस्ट्री न येयल्ले. मगीर कुर्तोर एक मार्मोगोवा स्टील मारलेली ते पडपाची आहा. तेगे रूफ पडपाचो आहा आनी तेन्ना पत्ता न्ही येतो म्हणटा ना. इंडस्ट्रीज पत्ते येयत म्हणपा आहा. इंडस्ट्रीज पत्ते येवपा देखून पोजिशनां नाय. ते काबार जाल्या इंडस्ट्री. परत येवपाक चान्स ना ताका. दॅट इज द एक्सटेंट ऑफ वॉट हॅज बीन रीच दीस 5 years.
Second, सगळे प्लेसीस विजीट केले.
Yeah, they have visited most of the places. They are quite. He was in Goa for many years, so it's okay. He knows the area by heart. आज मायनिंग कॉमर्स करताले. आमी मायनिंग खंय पावला. मायनिंग कॉमर्स जाता ते मायनिंग पासून काबार केलें हें कोला लागून. मायनिंग इंडस्ट्री काबार जाल्यार कोल प्लांट्स करपाक. कित्याक जे पोर्ट आहाय जे जेटीज आहाय ते कोला वचपाचे. ते मायनिंग केलें जाल्यार तेंगे हें जावपाचें. तेंगे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंट्रस्ट जावपाचें. सो पार्ट ऑफ द प्लॅन इवन मायनिंग स्टार्ट करना तेंच्याक आनी कितें करपाक इज कोल.
आमकां केंद्रीय उच्चाधिकार समितीन मेळपाक दिवंक ना असो आरोप तिनूय प्रकल्पांक विरोध करपी गोंयांत कोळसू नाका संघटनेचो पदाधिकारी अभिजीत प्रभुदेसायान केलो. प्रकल्प रद्द जायना ते मेरेन आमचो लढो चालूच उरतलो अशी शिटकावणी ताणें दिल्या.
मिटिंगेक तेंच्यांनी आमी जी रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिल्ली तेचेर विचार करता म्हणून सांगले. वेगवेगळ्यो स्टडीज ज्यो आसा ह्या संदर्भांतल्यो त्यो तेंच्या कडेन सुपूर्द केल्ल्यो आसा आनी एकंदर आमी निश्चित गोंयांक जे कितें फायदेशीर आसा ते निर्णय घेतले म्हणून तुमी सजेशन कितें. आमी सांगलेलें की ह्या परिसरान वाघ आसा किंवा बाकीची जी जंगल संपदा आसा ह्या सगळ्याचें रक्षण जावपाक जाय अशें तेंच्या कडेन मांडलेलें आसा. आता पळोवया ते त्या संदर्भात कितें आपलो अहवाल दिता.
तुम्ही या तिन्ही प्रोजेक्टांक सपोर्ट करता.
आमी जे आसा हे प्रकल्प जे आसा ह्या प्रकल्पांक आमचो विरोध आसा कित्याक लागून कारण हे जे आसा ते पर्यावरणाक जैवीक संपदेक खूब घातक आसा.
सगळ्यांक रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिलें उलोवपाक तेंच्यांनी
ना आमी 5 जाण प्रतिनिधी घेतले.
5 जाण.
तिन्ही प्रोजेक्टा खातीर विरोधात
हय
तुमची CEC वांगडा मिटींग जाली कितें सजेशन आसलें तुमचें?
आमी गोंयांत कोळसो नाका आमकां एक्चुली CECक मेळपाक दिवंक ना आनी आमी टोटली डिसअपॉयंटेड आसात आनी जे भशेन हे कारोबार चालू आसा ते भशेन हे मिटिगेशन मेजर्स थोडी झाडां सेव करतले हे भशेन हो प्रोजेक्ट मुखार व्हरून तिनी प्रोजेक्ट मुखार व्हरून सोदता जाल्यार आमी हाजो टोटल निशेध करतात. हे प्रोजेक्टान मातशी सुद्दां पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट ना आनी वायल्ड लायफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्टाचे सामके विरुद्ध आसात आनी आमी गोंयचो लोक जो आसा हो हे प्रोजेक्ट केन्नाय जावपाक दिवपाचे ना हे आमी क्लियर मेसेज सगळ्यांक दिवपाक सोदतात आनी आमी निशेध करतात की जे लोकांचे आमी रेप्रेझेंटेटीव आसात गोंयांत कोळसो नाका आमकां CECक मेळपाक सुद्दां दिवंक ना.
कितें रिजन कितें आसलें तुमकां मेळपाक दिवना? रिजन कित्याक दिवं नाका?
तांणी फक्त 5 जाणांक भितर घेतले आनी दुसरे कोण 5 NGO जे पयलीं पाविल्ले तांचे मेंबर ते पावले सो आमकां थंय वचपाक मेळूं ना. दो वी आर द आमी पयलीं हे सगळे 2016 साकून हें एजिटेशन चालू आसा आमच्या हातांतल्यान आनी पूण लास्टा हे मिटींग जातकीर आमी CECचे चेअरमॅनाक मातसो वेळ मेळपाक आमकां मेळ्ळें आनी तांणी आमकां ईमेल एड्रेस दिला आनी आमचे परत आमी सगळे जे सबमिशन आमी पयलींच्यान दिल्यात आमी आनी एडिशनल सबमिशन्स करतले पूण आमकां मातसो सुद्दां ह्या सिस्टमाचेर विश्वास ना. हे तिनूय प्रोजेक्ट ड्रॉप करूंकूच जाय. हे आमचे लोकांचे विरुद्ध आसात आमचे गोंयचे विरुद्ध सबंद जगाचे विरुद्ध आसा. हे ड्रॉप करूंकूच जाय आनी आमचे भुरग्यांक सांबाळपाक आमी जें कितें करूंक जाय सिवील डिजोबिडियन्स जें करूंक जाय आमी करतले. हे प्रोजेक्ट जावपाक दिवपाचे.
तुमी सॅटिस्फाय आहात ते हांगा येवन जे पळयला पळयला
ना सॅटिस्फायड ना. 3 दिसां भितर हे इन्स्पेक्शन जायना आनी तांणी हांगा येवपाचे पयलींच हे प्रोजेक्ट रिजेक्ट करूंक जाय. आमचें म्हणणें की जेन्ना हे प्रोजेक्टा फाटल्यान पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट ना
ते कशें रिजेक्ट करूं शकता? इट्स अ सुप्रीम कोर्ट अपॉइंटेड कमिटी.
but they could have
They cannot reject.
I will explain to you why.
I will explain to you
Wildlife
why.
Protection Act section 29 says such projects cannot be allowed. On that basis, on the legal
They
basis,
can only
they
convey
could
their
have-
report to the Supreme Court.
Yes, yes.
Obviously.
So they could have prepared the report and
And they will
sent
submit,
us.
yeah.
Okay, so but from what is happening, जे प्रेस रिपोर्ट्स आयल्यात की हेरिटेज झाडां साल्वार करपाची means they are looking at mitigation measures. They are not willing to consider the basic issue that these projects are against public interest. हे ते पळोवपाक तयार ना. जे भशेन आमचे फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान सगळे प्रोजेक्ट पास केल्या इन पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट विदाउट एप्लायींग द मायंड विदाउट इवन 1 पॅराग्राफ की कितें इम्पॅक्ट जातलो तेच भशेन आमकां दिसता हेंय मुखार वतलें. पूण आमी 100% तयार आसा की हे प्रोजेक्ट आमी कशे भशेन हाडायतले आमच्या गोंयचे खातीर आमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर.
सो वॉट विल बी युअर नेक्स्ट स्टेप कितें आसतलें?
We will wait. We are also hopeful. We hope for the best, but we are prepared for the worst. And we are 100% prepared to do whatever it takes.
I have not had a meeting with CEC. All the citizens groups, they said, please ask the CEC to hear us also. And today Chief Minister has also said that all the people who are interested in this project should meet the CEC. So accordingly, this Goencho Awaz, this three members of the Goa State Board of Wildlife, then the youth associations of Goa, then the wildlife associations of Goa, they all came to meet the CEC and they said, please give us some time. So the CEC gave them 45 minutes and listened to all their, I have not said anything to them at this meeting. I was only sitting there because my only job was to bring these people because they wanted to be heard by the CEC. I said, okay, I will speak to the chairman and you can come if he allows. So the chairman has given permission. So that is why they have all come here and they have met him. And they have all given their frank opinions. All of them have said that they are not interested in these 3 projects. These 3 projects do not, are not in the interests of Goa. They are not in the interests of Goan economy. They are not in the interests of the wildlife. They are not in the interests of the forest. They will bring no benefit to Goa. The wildlife sanctuaries are already in a very bad state today. We have visited, for example, 4 We have gone to Mole Wildlife Sanctuary, National Park. We have gone to Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary. We have gone to Kali Tiger Reserve. We could not find any animals there. Now this means that all this existing activity, not new, existing activity has already driven away most of the animals. So we are saying, why you want to put more? The more you will put. When the next generation, all these youngsters, these young wildlife people that come, they said that we are going to be here for next 60 years. What wildlife will be left for our generation if we are going to go on like this? So the general message was, no means no. We don't want any of these three projects. They are of no use to Goa. And please consider our representation. That is what we have told the CEC today.
Sir, what's your personal opinion?
My personal thing is that the CEC sent me an official letter of invitation to me to join the team, because then I will be able to show them all the places where they have proposed mitigation measures and which part of the forest is going, and to also join in the discussions, to hear what the government people had to say, what we had to say, etc. Because we have already been heard by the CEC once by video conference. Maybe we will be here being heard one more time. We have given one more representation to the CEC with more documents. But this is the job of CEC. This is not our job. They have gone around, they have seen whatever they want to see. They have got information from many places. They will then write a report and give it to the Supreme Court with their recommendations. Now, if we agree with their recommendations, then we are all happy. But suppose we don't agree with the recommendations, then we also can contest that report to the Supreme Court. That possibility is there. Many things are possible. But generally, the CEC has supported the allegations made by Goa Foundation. For example, in 2003, the CEC has closed down all the mines in the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary on the complaint of Goa Foundation. Then in 2012 also, Supreme Court sent CEC to visit Goa because of the closure of mining. They came in, they submitted a report in December 2012. So when we give a complaint, we give it with all facts and figures. And we said to the CEC that we have no idea how you can put a project today in the wildlife sanctuary. You could put before there was wildlife sanctuary, but now wildlife sanctuaries have come in the state of Goa. You cannot have any development there because the animals have the right of way. Human beings don't have the right of way. Human beings have to ask the animals permission whether they can go there and do any trouble, any development, any project and so on. So our argument is still standing. We have filed a petition before the High Court challenging the power of anybody to do anything in the wildlife sanctuary. So those will go on for 4 years. So he cannot be taught, what is happening. But he was very upset. He was very upset with Goa today, the site of Goa today. He was very upset with Zuari Beach. He said, I do not know why they are doing all this. Why they are putting all these elevated roadways and this, that. He said, Goa is not concrete. Goa is what he remembers Goa. It was a small place, very nice, filled with greenery, small roads, and everybody was happy with it. Today there is all these big structures, Goa is lost. And he told me in one moment that I do not know whether I would like to come again. So this is the amount of destruction we have done in 30 years. So this is a matter of caution that we are saying we should have when we have these development projects. Some caution is required. Now you can please ask some of the people who are presented to anybody of you from the groups who would like to present before the...
Do you think CEC could not give enough time to hear all these NGOs? Because many of them have been left out. They are waiting to meet CEC, but they could.
See, the CEC, according to me, should have given everybody 15 minutes. But the CEC has reached here at 4 o'clock. After travelling from Mole to Tambri Sulla, from there to MPT, from there back here, and having lunch very late, so they were tired. So the chairman went to sleep for some time. Then the politicians all came. So Digambar Kamath came, Kaunte came, Aleshwar came, not Ale, Reginald came. They took some time. So in the end, the CEC had only small time left for them. So these things happened. They have taken all the written representations. Now they will look at the written representations. they will decide. And as I said, it is our sincere effort to see that the CEC has all the information that is required by it. That is our job. The main fact that we have discovered today is that what reports are put on the net, on the Environment Ministry's website, and what is being told to us today is totally two different things. For example, for Tanmar, they said in the reports they say that they will remove all the vegetation only under the line, only under the 3 lines on the top. They will remove and they will put medicinal plants. But today they are telling us that the lines will go above the vegetation. So there will be no cutting of trees. Now, like that it is changing. Now we asked Dudhsagar what you are going to do. Dudhsagar again they have changed. They said we are going to put a tunnel through the Dudhsagar mountain, which is a solid piece of rock. They are going to put a new train railway line through the mountain. No, that is not there in any of the proposals. So what they are telling the CEC today is again different from what is there in the record. So I am glad that the CEC has come, because at least we now know the difference between what these project proponents are saying and what actually they are going to do on the ground. Now whether the CEC finds that satisfactory or not, they will tell the Supreme Court.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान अमर चावरिया. सुभाषचंद्र बोस हांचे भारतीय स्वातंत्र्य लढ्यातले योगदान आनी भूमिका तरणाट्यां मेरेन पावोवपा खातीर वर्सभर कार्यावळींचें आयोजन करतले. पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगले. दाबोळी विमानतळा भायर सुभाषचंद्र बोस हांच्या प्रतिमेचें उक्तावण केल्या उपरांत तो उलयतालो.
म्हाका खूब खुशी की नेताजी सुभाषचंद्र बोसाची आमी हिंगा एक सायट अनवील केला. हांव पयले सुवातेर शुभेच्छा दिता सगळ्यांक आयच्या दिसाची 125th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी. तशेंच आमचे डायरेक्टर जे आसा ते कितें ना कितें नवीन करीत आसता. गेल्ले फावटी महात्मा गांधीचे सायट हांगा इनॉग्रेट केल्ली. आज नेताजी सुभाषचंद्र बोस तेजी सायट केला. आमी तरी आमचे इतिहास नको, आमी तरी आमचे कोण वडील आसले, कोण व्हडले नेता जे आमी म्हणटा ते आसले आमच्या देशाचे, जाल्यार कांय फायदो ना. आमची संस्कृती, आमचे कल्चर, आमची अस्मिताय तुका केन्ना ओळख येता जेन्ना तूं कितें तरी इतिहासाचें जाणा. आमचो इतिहास जाणा की नेताजी सुभाषचंद्र बोस केदे व्हडले लिडर आसले ते, आनी देशाक ते कशे आमचे आजादी लागून कशी लढाई केली जी कोण करपाक शकना तसली. म्हणून तेका लास्टा नाच केलो आनी कितें जालें ते अजुनूय लोक प्रश्न उचलता कित्याक तो येदो व्हडलो लिडर आसलो म्हूण. केन्ना केन्ना हेय बीन विचार लोकांच्या मनान येता. तो तरी आज हेजे पयलीं आनी थोडी वर्सां आसलो जाल्यार आमचे भारत देश दुसरेच भाशेन आसपाचें म्हूण. कित्याक आमचे तेन्ना ब्रिटीश लोकांनी बाकीचे इतर लोक आशिल्ले आमकां लुटून आमचे भारत आमकां परते दिले. ते तरी जावं ना जाल्यार आमचो देश आनी फेलीज आसपाचो आनी प्रॉस्परस आसपाचो. आनी तेका लागून कांय फावटी ते प्रश्न उचलता की नेताजी सुभाषचंद्र बोस डिजर्व मोर दॅन वॉट ही गॉट. हो प्रश्न सदां परत येता. आज हांव तेका श्रद्धांजली दिता आसतना, तेजे वाडदिसा याद करता आसतना हांव सगळ्या हांगा एअरपोर्टाचेर जे आसा तांकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता आसतना चड करून कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता आमचे एअरपोर्ट डायरेक्टर. कित्याक असले सदांच तो आज लक्षांत घेता. आनी एक तुमी याद धरा, आज आतां सांचेच आमचे माननीय प्रधानमंत्रीनी तेजी आठवण करून व्हडलें फंक्शन केलां. इनफॅक्ट आख्खे वर्स आमी भेटयतले कार्यक्रम, वेगळे कार्यक्रम तेजे नांवान. सो तेन्ना हेच दाखोवन दिता केदो व्हडलो तो लिडर आसलो आनी ताका कितलो मान सम्मान आहा तो. आनी ताका मान सम्मान एअरपोर्टात दिलो.
देखिए ऐसा है जैसा सर ने कहा अभी, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस जननायक हैं. सबके दिल में उनका स्थान है. और जो भी कुछ उन्होंने इस देश के लिए किया, ये हमारा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि हम उनके 125वें जन्मदिन पे उनको सम्मान दें. उन्होंने जो कुछ भी हमारे लिए किया उस ऋण को हम उतार नहीं सकते हैं. वी आर ऑलवेज इंडेटेड. हम उस ऋण को उतार नहीं सकते हैं. और इसलिए आने वाली जनरेशन जो यहाँ से बहुत सारे लोग पास होते हैं वो इस डिस्प्ले को देखें, अपने आप को उनसे जुड़ा हुआ महसूस करें। उनसे जुड़ने का अर्थ है कि आप अपने आप को अपने देश से जुड़ा हुआ महसूस करते हैं। तो हमारा बेसिक पर्पस यही था कि हम उनको इस एयरपोर्ट पे एक जगह उनको देकर अपने एयरपोर्ट का मान बढ़ाएं। और ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है कि जो हमारे लोकल गार्जियन है, जो हमारे ऊपर जिनकी छत्र छाया रहती है, माननीय मोबिन गुडिनो सर, वो आज आए और उन्होंने अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से ये टाइम निकाला और हम सब जितने भी लोगों ने यहाँ एफर्ट किया उसको इनॉग्रेट करके उन्होंने हमको, वी आर ग्रेटफुल टू हिम फॉर द टाइम ही हैज़ गिवन टू अस एंड वी wish to do more things. We are doing lot many things. We will keep on doing things. And हमारा प्रयास ये है कि ये एयरपोर्ट का एक अलग स्थान होना, अलग नाम होना चाहिए, जो बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हम भारत के 9th बिजिएस्ट एयरपोर्ट हैं। हमें और बहुत कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है। हमारा प्रयास चल रहा है, हमारे एयरलाइंस के सहयोगियों का प्रयास चल रहा है, हमारे अपने स्टाफ का प्रयास चल रहा है और जितने भी स्टेक होल्डर हैं सबका प्रयास चल रहा है कि हम बेहतर से बेहतर सुविधा अपने यात्रियों को यहाँ।
दिवचल तालुका शारीरिक शिक्षक मंच साखळेचे कला विज्ञान आणि वाणिज्य महाविद्यालय तसेच कॉलेज डायरेक्टर ऑफ फिजिकल एज्युकेशन हांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमान क्रिकेट सर्तीचे आयोजन केला। आलोक शिरोडकराच्या यादीन आयोजित केली ही सर्त नावेली खेळा मैदानाचेर 4 फेब्रुवारीक जातली।
We are organizing this inter-taluka Alok Shirodkar Memorial Cricket Tournament in memory of late Alok Shirodkar, who was a faculty of Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Sankeli. For this tournament, we have various associations who have come together. The Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Sankeli, in association with the Bicholim Taluka Physical Education Teachers Forum and the Association of College Directors of Physical Education of Goa. All these 3 organizations will be organizing this tournament. We have the Sarpanch, who will be Sarpanch of Naveli Village Panchayat, who will be inaugurating the tournament. And for the closing ceremony on 4th February, we have Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, who will be the chief guest, along with the Sarpanch and other dignitaries who will be there for the closing ceremony.
Total 11 taluka participating in this tournament, and we have 20,000 cash prize. First prize 20,000 plus trophy. Second, we have 10,000 plus trophy, and for semi losers we are giving trophies, and we have other prizes like best batsman, bowler, best disciplined team, man of the match. For all the matches, every matches we are giving man of the match award, and last we have man of the series prize for the tournament.
आणि आईचे हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। मिळूया परत फाल्यां ह्याच वेळार मोगाचो।